Everybody knows that the 88 through 98 GM trucks are cool and affordable. But what's not cool is that most of them came with an automatic. Well, not anymore, because American Powertrain has come out with a kit called the OBS Pro Fit Truck Kit that allows you to put a standard shift transmission into your 88 to 98 GM truck. Now check this out. Obviously, you have your choice of transmission, the TKO 5-speed or the bigger Magnum 6-speed, and then to go with that, you have the bell housing, you have the pressure plate, you've got the clutch, you've got the flywheel, you've got a hydraulic throwout bearing, you have a master cylinder, you've got all the hardware, you even have your choice of shifters. The best part is this utilizes your factory cross member, and you don't have to cut or modify the floor at all except to cut the hole for your shifter. This is without a doubt the best way to put a standard shift transmission into your 88 to 98 GM truck, and you're only going to find it at American Powertrain.